Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm making sausage muffins. This was supposed to go for collaboration, but I missed it. I've had a lot going on this month. You want to take 2 cups of baking mix and add a pound of sausage that you've browned. And I'm just using a slotted spoon. It doesn't have a lot of grease in it anyway. And I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. Now you want to add a can of Campbell's cheddar cheese soup. And once you add that, you just want to mix everything together really well. These muffins be great for Christmas morning, any kind of morning. This was from my friend Rena, and she had given me this recipe, and they are absolutely wonderful. My husband loves them. Now you just want to fill your muffin tins, and I sprayed my muffin tins, and you just want to fill them, and it should make 12 muffins. Now I'm just using the bottom part of my dipping spoon and just flattening out a little bit. And you want to bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes. And here they are. They are so good. I've made sausage balls, and this reminds me a lot of my sausage balls. You pull them out once they're just brown, lightly brown, and cooked all the way through. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I highly recommend these muffins. They're so good. And until next time, bye y'all.